Review Hub. Brand name, Xiaomi. Number of operating modes, 3 to 4. Battery type, Li-ion. Voltage, 220 volts. Liquid tank volume, less than 3 liters. Type, wireless, wet and dry, robot. Turbo brush, yes. LCD, yes. Cleaning route, planned type. Cord length, M, wireless. Compatible devices, Mi Home. Timing reservation, yes. Installation, robot. Power, W, 200 watts. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Features, LCD, remote control, timing reservation, map creating. Included components. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.